This lesson is about the coordinate plane, or how we graph in algebra. So the x-axis is the axis that goes side to side. Okay, so we call this the x-axis. The y-axis goes up and down. And I label it here. The origin is where everything starts. In English, origin means where it starts. So if you were born in Europe, your origin is European. So the origin is right here. And then the quadrants, quad means 4 in English. So when you intersect these two lines, you get 4 quadrants. This is the first one, second one, third, and fourth. And then when you connect the quadrants, they make a C. So how you write a C, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you can remember the order. Hi. So an ordered pair is a point on the graph that consists of an X and a Y, and it's always separated with a comma and parentheses. So the X tells you where to go on the x-axis, the sideways axis, and the Y tells you where to go on the vertical axis. So let's try 5, -4. So 5 is your X, and -4 is your Y. So what we're going to do is on our x-axis, we're going to go to the right if it's positive, and to the left if the number is negative. So this is a positive 5, so I'm going to go to the right 5. Right over here. Right here. So then I need to go down 4, because the Y is a -4. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and darken this point. So my final point is 5, -4. That is my coordinate. It's called a coordinate, or it's also called an ordered pair. Either way is fine. Okay, so we're going to practice these and plot them and make sure that we put a letter next to it and write the quadrant. So first I'm going to label the quadrants. Remember when you write the quadrants, when you draw a C, this is the natural form of drawing a letter C. So you put a 1, 2, 3, and we use Roman numerals, 4. So 1, 2, 3, and a 4. So the first point, A, is -2, -5. So in the x direction, in the side to side direction, you're going to go left 2 and then down 5. You need to put an A next to it. The second one is, on the quadrant, is in 3, so I write 3. Letter B is 4, 1, so I go right 4, because it's a positive 4, and then up 1. So I go right 4, up 1, and I darken it. And this is in quadrant 1. C is -3, 3. So I need to go left 3, up 3. So from the origin, left 3, up 3. It's right here. So I'm going to call that C. Oops, I forgot to label this one too. That's B. C is in quadrant 2. D, I'm going to go right 2, down 1. So I go right 2, down 1, and I label it D. This is in quadrant 4. E is -1, 2. So I go left 1, up 2, left 1, up 2, call that E. It's in quadrant 2. F is right 1, because it's positive, down 3, right 1, down 3, and right F. It's in quadrant 4 as well. G is go left 3, down 2, label it. It is in quadrant 3. And the last one, H, is right 4, up 4. It's in quadrant 1. Okay, now we're going to go the opposite way. So I'm going to darken this X and Y. It's kind of hard to see. So I'm going to darken this. And then the Y. There. Now we're going to take each point, we're going to go backwards. So A is in order, first this is quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. It's always good just to practice that. Now A is left 1, up 1. So the X, left and right, always goes first. Make sure you put parentheses and a comma. So since I went left 1, it's going to be negative 1. And I'm going up 1, so it's going to be positive 1. That's A. B, first we go left and right for the X. B, I wanted to go right 4. So right 4 is a positive 4. Then I went up 3, so it's a positive 3. C is I start at the X, left and right. I'm going left 2 and down 1. Left 2 and down 1. D is I'm starting and I'm not moving anywhere left or right. If I'm not going left or right, I'm not moving anything, so it's 0. But then I'm going down 1. And then G is I'm going right 1, and then I'm going up 4. K, do left and right first. I'm going right 5, and then I'm going down 1. Right 5, down 1. R, do left and right first. You do left 2, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, down 4, so it's negative 4. And T, you go left 3, and I'm not moving it all up or down, so if you're not moving it all up or down, it's just 0.